So when I picked up this mower the other day, I got really inspired by the little lights that come on it. But using them at night, if it's dusky out, doesn't give you adequate amount of light to truly, if you're trying to stripe your yard. It works, but they're floodlights. And I seen these exact same lights at Harbor Freight, just in case any guys are wondering, for about $30 for both of them. But this company sent me these lights out, and they're 6-inch off-road lights that are from Novsite. Now, you can get them in black or orange, but I want to show you how they match up on these Scags. The color is a little bit brighter, but it actually looks pretty good on these Cheetahs. They've got so many different options. So when you buy these lights, they come with everything that you see. It comes with all your brackets, the bolts, lock washers. You've got your cords and stuff that come from it. And then the only thing I had to buy to install these was this little bracket down here. And if you guys are wanting to install something like this on here, I'll put these brackets in the bio. But other than that, it comes with a little rubber garment to keep it from vibrating and things like that. And you can see that they've got an adjustment bracket on the back. So once you mount them, you can adjust them up and down with that little bracket. You see it right there? But I wanted to get something on here. That way, if I wanted to mow when it was getting dusky out, or even at night, it would give me enough light to do so. So I had these, and I wanted to install them and show you guys how I put them on and just how easy it was. So another thing, these lights come with different covers when you buy them. So you've got your blackout that you can snap on there like that, or you can run the orange, which is right here. And these just pop off. You can see the little tabs. And then if you've got them popped off, of course, it's going to look like this right one. But these have different mode lighting, and I'm going to show you guys that. So here's what they look like in the box, or what it comes in. And on the lights, they've got a spotlight beam, which is your main 4 beams on the outside. And then they've got the center beam, and it's got 4 different modes, and they are really, really cool. I'll show you in here, so you can see here. I'll put a link for these in the bio in case you want to get a set of these to go on your Scag. But what I was going to say is I'll show you the different modes in them and show you each of them on. But it comes with this little rocker, or this little switch, where you can do a couple of different modes right from the switch. So I just ran the wiring. As you can see, I just hooked it right to my battery, because all this is plug and play. So basically you've got 2 wires that go right to your battery, which will be on the Scag, it's under the seat. And then it plugs directly into the lights. There's no splicing and dicing. It's an all plug and play system. And then I just brought the switch right up here and mounted it with double-sided tape for right now. If I find a better way to put it on there, I will. But I want to show you guys these. So when you've got the mower just sitting here, you've got on, which there's that one on with the orange cover, and here's this one on with no cover. They are stupid bright. I mean, they're crazy bright. You can see that one on the wall and this one here. I mean, it looks like a laser about to go through the wall over here. But we'll take it out at night, or we'll take it out tonight and see what it looks like in complete darkness. And once you turn them on, you've got the button you can push to turn them off, and then you've got this running light here. So you can leave them on the running light, and the running light's actually pretty bright. You can see it in there. There's the running light on. And then you've got 4 brighter modes that come on here. There's one more, there's another one, and another one. So it just keeps getting brighter as you go, and they're just different in how they work. So it's flood, spot. Really cool deal. I'm super impressed with them. But what I was going to say is now I've got the original lights that come on the Scag, which inspired me to do these other ones. But I'm going to take them out and just show you guys what they look like. And, you know, if you guys want to put some lights on yours, most mowers come with this bolt through the ROPS system. So you can see the bolt and stuff that goes through here to hold it to the cage. And then you've got your unhinged part to let it fall down. This can still lay down just fine on this mower, and it doesn't cause any issues because the back of this tank is curved. So that's another thing that I wanted. I wanted to still function with my ROPS. But I just took the bolt that was on there existing. Now, if your bolt was really short, you could take and buy a longer bolt. Just pull that one out and buy a longer bolt and put it in, and that would give you the ability to put one of these on, and even, you know, make it to where you could do a different style. But I'm gonna take this out and show you what it looks like in the dark. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what just the normal Scag lights look like so you can see. So you can see it does give you light, but as you can see, it also puts a shadow in front of you. So that was one of the things that I noticed with the lights, because it hits the casters and stuff, that if you're trying to stay really tight in your lines, that you can see, like I said, you could mow at night, but if you was trying to lay stripes and stay in your stripe, you would have some trouble doing so. So now I'm going to turn on the Cyber 1 lights just so you guys can see them in there. So this is the middle light. Now I've got one on the right that's orange and one on the left that's normal. So you can kind of see the difference in the light color. See, I've got the cover on the right one and it's just open on this one. Now we're going to go up in light so you guys can see. So there's the top and bottom. And then this is the flood of that one. So we're going to turn both of those on, and then we're going to turn the top lights on. And then there's your spotlights. So as you can see out in front of you clear. If you was trying to follow lines, this would give you something that you could do that with. Now you don't have to go with these lights. I just had them here and wanted to kind of show you guys, because like I said, the Scag already had the lights on it, so I wanted to put some other lights to go with it. But here's your side shot. That's got the cover on. Like I said, that's why the light's orange over here. And then this one does not. As you can see, all the lights are on and the bottom Scag lights are on.